In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI assistant so that you can create ads, curriculum, and more. Let's go sharing my screen. So first, you need to visit your URL of your website on Unsolved network, right? So you need to visit that URL. You need to log in as well. Once you're logged in, you will see this option for AI bot on the top bar. Click the AI bot. And now it will take you to your own page where you can ask your AI assistant pretty much anything. Now the best thing to do is for you to access this via the laptop so that you can also get these pre-written prompts for you. Like if you want to do anything here, like you want better options for your page, you want to define your membership levels, you want to create ads, video ads, all of these are pre-written and pre-done. So what that means is, let's say you want a video ad script. You just have to click video ad. And you have to click the different options. We have already written many different versions of video ads that will be great for your business. You just need to click this and then click generate with AI. That's it, right? The second you do this, your AI will take over and generate your video ad for you. Like this, you can create a curriculum, you can create image ads, right? Pretty much the copy, the text for any of these things is available on the AI assistant. You don't have to figure out the text. You just need to go and click and kind of say that, yes, this is something that I want. And then if you want to see the response, just go on this card and click anywhere on the card except on the more, right? Just click anywhere on the card and look here, you have this entire response. And this is the response by the AI bot, so look for that. Some people get confused thinking that this is the response by the AI. No, it's not, right? This is the prompt that has been given. If you click this, then you will get the response by AI, right? So this is your AI response. Now this will form the way you will use the AI bot. All you need to do is keep clicking, choosing, and whenever you like something, of course, make a note of it separately in a doc file. That's the best way to really go about it, right? So that's it from me.